Time is the only thing you can never stop. You can save it, you can't replace it. And every second you waste is a second you will never get back. Right now, time is moving forward. Whether you act or not, most people live as if they have forever, as if tomorrow is guaranteed, as if later will always exist. It won't. This is not a motivational video. This is a reminder. In this video, you will see how time was born, how it bends, how it controls your mind, and why. It will run out. By the end of this video, you won't just understand time, you will feel it. So, don't scroll, don't skip, stay until the end. Because this video isn't about time, it's about your life.
Time is the most powerful force in the universe. It creates stars, it destroys mountains, and yet, it is completely invisible. You cannot touch time. You cannot stop it. You cannot save it for later. Every second that passes is gone forever. Right now, as you watch this video, time is leaving you silently, relentlessly. The question is not what is time. The question is, what is time doing to you? For thousands of years, humans have tried to understand time. Ancient civilizations saw time as a circle. Seasons returned. The sun rose again. Life repeated itself. But modern science tells a different story. Time is not a loop. It is an arrow. According to physics, time moves in only one direction, forward. This is called the arrow of time. Why? Because of entropy. Entropy means disorder always increases. A broken glass never reassembles itself. A young body never becomes younger. Time moves forward because the universe moves toward chaos and nothing. Not even light can escape it. Time and the universe. Time did not exist forever. At the beginning of the universe, the Big Bang, time itself was born. Before that moment, there was no before. Space and time are woven together into one fabric. Space-time, mass bends. Time, gravity, slows it. This means time does not move the same for everyone. On Earth, time passes normally, but near a black hole, time almost stops. If you fell into one, the world outside would age rapidly, while you would barely age at all. Time is not absolute. It is flexible, distorted, alive. But the strangest thing about time is how we experience it. When you are a child, 1 year feels endless. When you grow older, years disappear in silence. Why? Because your brain measures time by memories. New experiences slow time down. Routine speeds it up. That is why trauma feels frozen and happiness feels too short. Time does not change. You do. The clock stays the same, but your perception collapses. This is why the most dangerous thing in life is not death. It is unnoticed time passing. Time and death. Every living thing is on a timer. You do not know when it started, and you do not know when it will end. Death is not the enemy of life, it is the reason. Life has meaning. If time were infinite, moments would be worthless. Love would be postponed forever. Dreams would never be urgent. Time gives life pressure, and pressure creates value. One day, your time will run out, and the world will continue as if you were never here. The question is not, will you die? The question is, did you live before time decided for you? Time, regret, and choices. Most people do not regret failure, they regret delay. I will start tomorrow. I have time. I will do it later. But later is the greatest illusion ever created. Time does not wait for readiness. It does not care about fear. Every choice you avoid becomes a future regret. One day you will look back and realize the moments that mattered most were the ones you hesitated to enter. Time does not punish you. It simply moves on without you. Using time wisely, you cannot control time, but you can control attention. Where your attention goes, your life follows. Time spent on growth multiplies. Time spent on distraction evaporates. The richest people are not those with money. They are those who know how to use their time. Presence is power. Focus is freedom. Do not ask how long something will take. Ask whether it is worth your life energy. Because time is not money. Time is life itself. The final truth about time. Time is not your enemy. It is your teacher. It shows you what matters by taking everything else away. People leave. Moments fade. Youth disappears, but meaning remains if you choose to create it. You are not here to defeat time. You are here to honor it. Live slowly in a fast world. Love deeply in limited days. Create something that survives your seconds, because in the end, time will erase your name, but it cannot erase the impact you leave behind. One day, this moment will be a memory. One day, this video will be history. One day, you will be gone. But right now, you still have time. Use it.
Just like every moment in your life, you won't remember every hour you wasted, but you will remember the chances you ignored. Time doesn't warn you. It doesn't negotiate. It just moves on. And one day, it will leave you behind. So, if this video made you pause, even for a second, don't ignore that feeling. That pause is awareness. An awareness is rare. Close this video and do the one thing you've been delaying, because time is not waiting, and neither should you. This moment is leaving. What will you do with the next one?